In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Golf key fob. This is a very easy process that will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and all you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, you can go check out the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now, jumping right into it, we want to find the opening here on the side of the key fob. You can see that space. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and twist. By twisting, we will start to open this up, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers. Now, be careful with the board. Sometimes you might open it and the board will fall right out. You just want to gently remove the board and set that to the side. Careful when handling the board because it is very delicate. And using the same flathead, we can now just gently lift the battery up and out. So go ahead and grab a new 2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing down. And so you'll just snap that into place, positive side down. But I do want to show you, because this metal component in here comes out pretty easily. So if it does fall out, you just want to orient it so that this prong part is facing up. And there's actually, you can see there's an outline here in the plastic that pretty much shows you where it should go. See that L shape? And there's a little plastic peg sticking up that's going to go right in the middle. You'll just drop that in. And as long as it's sitting in its place with the prongs facing up, you're good to go. You're just going to snap the battery in there on top of that, just like that. Now you can carefully pick up the board, and you can see this circle on one side. There's a circle and it says CR2032 right there. Just set that on top of the battery gently, and now put the top on there and squeeze. That's all it takes. You have a new battery in there, and you should be good to go with that key fob for a long time. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, feel free to give this video a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this YouTube channel. We will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. And you can also get this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.